Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You may already know about the latest WhatsApp feature, which is whenever you send a message to someone and you don't want to send it, you can delete it, and the other person will not know that what was the message. It is the best scenario for you, but the worst scenario is when you receive a message and you want to delete it. When you open it, you see that this message was deleted. So this is a very irritating moment for you, that you want to read that message and you have no idea what the other person have already sent you. So in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can read that little message without noticing that the other person will know that you already relayed that message. So before moving on, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you don't like, do let me know in the comment box. So let's continue the video. And before moving on, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So either like or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to get notified for the more videos. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Samuel, you're watching Daily Tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can read the deleted message. So for this purpose, you have to install that application. I will tell you later about the application name. First, let me show you the demo. And here you can see that I have two WhatsApp. So here is my WhatsApp business, and right now I'm going to send a message. Hi, how are you? So now let's go to my real WhatsApp. And here you can see that all these two messages are visible. Now again I'm going to my WhatsApp business and I'm going to send again same messages. Hi, how are you? Now I am going to delete these messages. I'm going to remove the first message, which is delete for everyone. Hi, I secondly sent the message. Hi, I deleted it. Now I'm going to again my WhatsApp, and here you will see that there is no message shown. So this is the most irritating thing. So all you have is to install an application which is known as Chatbin. So this is the application available on the Play Store, or you can go to the Play Store and search for the Chatbin. You have to give the 3 permissions. You can easily do it. So when you will open this application, and here you will see different names, and once you will click on that your desired contact name, and here you will see every message that the other person sent you, even the deleted message are shown here. So I think you may like this video. If you do like, please don't forget to hit the like button. So if you want more videos like this, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time.